Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's check out the 15 smartest animals. Let's begin. Number 15. Squirrels. Squirrels are celebrated for their exceptional spatial memory, which they employ to relocate their food reserves. Each year, they bury hundreds of nuts and seeds and can recollect the exact whereabouts of these caches with impressive precision. This skill indicates a sophisticated level of cognitive mapping and an understanding of their environment that exceeds basic instinct. Squirrels are really smart and good at solving problems. They have an amazing memory and can remember exactly where they hide all their nuts. They are also clever and can trick other animals by making fake hiding spots for their food. This shows that they are not only smart, but also good at protecting their food. This deceptive tactic not only highlights their intelligence, but also their adaptability in protecting their resources. Number 14. Octopus. Octopuses are really interesting sea creatures. They are really good at blending in with their surroundings by changing their colour, texture and shape. They can also copy other animals, which shows that they are very smart. Octopuses are good at solving problems, finding their way through mazes, and opening jars to get food, which shows how clever and adaptable they are. Number 13. Cuttlefish. Other cephalopods like cuttlefish and squids are also really smart. Some cephalopods have more than 500 million neurons, while a rat, which is considered pretty smart, has 200 million. They are good at learning quickly, solving puzzles, and showing complex behaviours. Cuttlefish can change colour using their special cells and make dazzling displays to talk to each other and confuse predators. Squids are thought to be a bit less smart than octopuses and cuttlefish. Number 12. Cat. Cats are known for being smart in their own unique way. They are clever problem solvers, good at figuring things out and getting around obstacles. They are also very good at learning by watching others and are great at taking care of themselves. Did you know that cats have 5 toes on their front paws but only 4 toes on their back paws? This is because their back paws act as shock absorbers to help them land on their feet when jumping or falling. Number 11. Pig. Pigs are often unfairly judged, but studies have shown that they are really smart. They are even smarter than dogs and 3-year-old kids. They can learn difficult things, understand symbols, and even play basic video games. Pigs also have a remarkable ability to understand how people feel, which makes them caring and aware animals. You know that pigs are one of the few animals that can get sunburned. This is why they often roll in the mud to protect their skin from the sun. Number 10. Wolf, dog, fox, and coyote. Dogs are known as man's best friend because they are not only loyal but also smart. They can understand human gestures and expressions really well, which makes them great communicators. Dogs can be taught to do all sorts of things, like helping blind people get around or even sniffing out medical problems. The wolf, fox, and coyote in the wild are all very clever animals. It's difficult to determine which one is the smartest because each one seems to excel at different tasks. Number 9. African grey parrot. They can understand and communicate using words, and even grasp abstract ideas like size and colour. This shows that birds can be way much smarter than we thought. Did you know that African grey parrots have the ability to mimic and imitate various sounds, including human speech, making them one of the best talking parrot species? Number 8. Orca. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are not only the top predators in the ocean, but also very smart animals. They live in close family groups led by female leaders. Their social relationships are complex, involving strong bonds, working together to hunt and being emotionally aware. Number 7. Gorilla. Gorillas are the biggest of the great apes. They are really smart and strong, but compared to chimpanzees, they are more mellow and patient. They aren't as quick to adapt or as curious as chimpanzees, and they don't copy others as much. Gorillas have been seen using sticks to check how deep water is, and using leaves as shelter from the rain, which shows they understand their surroundings and can use things in their environment to their advantage. Number 6. Elephant. Elephants have really good memories and can remember a lot of things, like where they need to go and who their friends are. They can even feel sad when their friends die, and learn sign language and communicate complex ideas and feelings, which shows how smart and emotional they are. Elephants can swim as many as 20 miles a day. They use their trunks as natural snorkels. Number 5. Dolphin. Dolphins are incredibly smart and fascinating creatures. They're known for being friendly and smart, and some scientists think they might even be smarter than chimpanzees. One amazing thing they do is echolocation, where they use sound to see underwater. They also live in groups and work together to find food. Plus, they can recognize themselves in a mirror, which is pretty rare in the animal world. Number 4. Crow and raven. Ravens, crows and magpies are all part of the corvid family. These birds are known for being really smart and clever. They're good at solving problems and can even figure out how one thing causes another. People have seen them making complicated tools out of natural stuff to get food that's difficult to reach. Ravens are known for their playful behaviour, such as sliding down snow-covered roofs and playing games of catch with other ravens and even wolves.
Give me that.
Number 3. Bonobo. Bonobos are highly intelligent and are recognized for their adept use of tools and problem-solving abilities. Research indicates that they excel in comprehending social dynamics, while chimpanzees demonstrate superior tool usage and understanding of mechanical processes. Bonobos exhibit more nurturing and collaborative behavior compared to chimpanzees, which tend to display more aggression and competitiveness. Unlike chimpanzees, bonobos prioritize forming connections and sharing rather than engaging in conflict. They also demonstrate exceptional communication skills, surpassing orangutans in certain aspects. Despite their resemblance to chimpanzees, bonobos are slightly smaller and leaner in size. Number 2. Orangutan. The red-haired apes in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, known as orangutans, are really intelligent. Studies suggest that they might even be more intelligent than chimpanzees in certain tasks, although chimpanzees excel in social activities. Orangutans are adept at learning and retaining information, particularly in the context of creating tools for locating food and constructing shelters. This capability is not merely instinctual. It entails forward thinking and comprehending the interconnections between things. Number 1. Chimpanzee. Did you know that humans and chimpanzees share almost 99% of their DNA? They're our closest relatives and are considered the second most intelligent species on Earth, after humans. Research suggests that chimpanzees have an IQ similar to that of a human toddler. They're really good at solving problems like using sticks to get insects from trees or using leaves to scoop water. They can even recognize themselves in mirrors, which shows that they're self-aware, just like a few other species. There you have it, the 15 smartest animals. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Remember, learn something every day. Check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.